Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to create an epic Discord server in 2024. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Discord application or visit the Discord website and log into your account. After that, you will get to see on the left sidebar, you will see a plus icon next to your current server list. Then simply click on this icon to create a new server. So after you tap on the plus icon, Discord will prompt you to ask what kind of server you want to create. So here we are choosing a friend server option available there. You can choose any server option according to your personal preferences. So after tapping on friend, you will get to see two options again. So we are going with the second one. There are two options available, me and my friends, and club and the community. We are going with the second one. Now all you have to do is choose a name for a server and upload a photo. Simply write down the name you are according to your personal preferences or anything you want to. So we are here writing fun server or something like fun for our username or server name. So write down. After that, simply tap on the plus icon of the images and upload any photos you want to from your PC. So we don't have much more photos available here, so we are choosing this one. Continue with the process again. And here you have created a server. But now if you want this server to be fancy and you want more options to be available on your left sidebar, then simply go to the Discord templates option in your new web and type down the Discord templates there and search for it. Now the thing is, inside Discord templates, you will be presented with a list of public server templates. You can filter them by category or search for specific keywords. Take your time to browse through the available templates until you find one that suits your needs. So here we are just choosing a random one. We are choosing a gaming template for just an example. So tap on the view template. After you tap on it, you will get to see so many options available there, channels, voice, and there are much more options available there. And if it fits your needs, then simply scroll up and there you will get to see use template option and tap on it and you will use this template as your server. Now tap on the use template. Now all is you will have to be authorized by Discord and write down your name. Now this is a completely new server than you created one before. So now you can see the template is ready with its features and descriptions. So you can see from your left sidebar there are various options available, rules, announcements, events and everything. Now simply go to the arrow option available on the top. So in there what happens is you will get into the server settings. Simply go inside your server settings and you will get to see role option available there. Now the thing is, once you have customized your server, you can set up channels and roles. Depending on the templates you choose, your server may come with pre-configured channels and roles. However, you can still customize the further to suit your needs. You can create additional channels, set permissions and configure roles as necessary to any people. Now this is all your server and you can do anything to your according to your personal preferences. You can even invite members. Now that your server is created, you can invite members to join. You can share the server invite link with friends, colleagues, or anyone else you would like to invite to your server. So here you can even create a category as well. So yeah, congratulations, you have successfully created a new server using a Discord. Enjoy chatting and interacting with your community in your new server as well. So by following these steps, you'll be able to create a new Discord server. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.